Genesis chapter 4 audio Bible. Cain and Abel. Then Adam had intercourse with his wife, and she became pregnant. She bore a son and said, "By the Lord's help I acquired a son." So she named him Cain. Later she gave birth to him another son, Abel. Abel became a shepherd, but Cain was a farmer. After some time, Cain brought some of his harvest and gave it as an offering to the Lord. Then Abel brought the first lamb born to one sheep, killed it, and gave the best parts of it as an offering. The Lord was pleased with Abel and his offering, but he rejected Cain and his offering. Cain became furious and he swore in anger. Then the Lord God said to Cain, "Why are you angry? Why that scowl on your face? If you had done the right thing, you will be smiling, but because you have done evil, sin is crouching at the door. It wants to rule over you, but you must overcome it." Then Cain said to his brother Abel, "Let's go out in the fields." When they were out in the fields, Cain turned to his brother and killed him. The Lord asked Cain, "Where is your brother Abel?" He answered, "I don't know. I am supposed to kill my brother." Then the Lord said, "Why have you done this terrible thing? Your brother's blood is crying out from the ground like voice calling for revenge. You are placed under a curse and no longer farm the soil. It has soaked up your brother's blood as if it had opened its mouth and received it when you killed him. If you try to grow crops, the soil will not produce anything. You will be a homeless wanderer on the earth." And Cain said to the Lord, "This punishment is too hard for me to bear. You are driving me off the land and away from your presence. I will be homeless wanderer on the earth, and anyone who finds me will kill me." The Lord answered, "No. If anyone kills you, 7 lives will be taken in revenge." So the Lord put a mark on Cain to warn anyone who met him not to kill him. And Cain went away from the Lord's presence and lived in a land called Wandering in the east of Eden. Cain and his wife had a son named Enoch. Then Cain built a city and named it after his son. Enoch had a son named Irad, who was father of Mehujael, and Mehujael had a son named Methuel, who was father of Lamech. Lamech had 2 wives, Ada and Zillah. Ada gave birth to Jabal, who was ancestor of raised livestock and live in tents. His brother was Jubal, an ancestor of musicians who play harp and the flute. Zillah gave birth to Tubal Cain, who made all kinds of tools out of bronze and iron. The sister of Tubal Cain was Naamah. Lamech said to his wife, "I killed young man because he struck me. If 7 lives are taken to pay for killing Cain, 77 will be taken if anyone kills me." Adam and his wife had another son. She said, "God has given me son to replace Abel, who Cain killed." So he named him Seth. Seth and had a son whom he named Enoch. It was the people began to using the Lord's holy name in worship.